Okay, hopefully this will be the last installment for the build of the steel mill. The mill is now glued together with the roof supports, painted internally, externally, striping all done, touch-ups here and there. Probably need to look over it again and have another look at touch-ups. Added some decals for the entry here, company sign. So getting ready to go onto the layout. I have added some lighting, not that I'll be using it very much I don't think, but it's always good to have lighting available. Just touch up these wires a little bit here, but at least now can be lit internally. And all we need to do now is add the roof sections, because I want to have the roof basically as a lift off for the time being, because you never know, down the road maybe you might get some internal machine workings and some internal activity in the plant. But aside from the roof, now it's more or less ready to go on the layout. Okay, the Walthers rolling mill kit from the box, and finally onto the layout. My version of it. So added the skylights at the side, added the blue markings around the plant, company logo, and some decals at the entrance there. And what I'm also going to do is add an office block and services. At the moment I've an old kit that I've kit bashed, taken the office and some services from it and stuck them here on the side. Whether I'll keep that or not, I don't know. It's a card kit with styrene additions, but for the time being I think that's okay. So I'll come up with something better, or maybe once the roads, parking spots, fences and all that sort of been added, then it'll look okay. That basically completes the mill. Alright, first time into the steel mill. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, stop. Okay, all safe. What do they do in here? Okay. And off we go. We'll pan over to the yard, Kaifuk yard, and Our train has been made up by the yardmaster. It's a steel and coal train for the plant, and he's provided the consist. We've picked up our locomotive, which is V216025, which is our locomotive. It's our locomotive there. Okay, we've got our train packet, car cards, the locomotive. We've been given that. We can select the train that we need with the numbers given. We have 216025, that's this locomotive here. V216025, it's idling and ready for us to take control. On this system we will use an automatic dispatch. The main line is controlled automatically by the system from where we are. We're at Kaifuk and we need to go to the steel yard, and that's that route. So we've now programmed our train for that route. Once we hit the start button, we've requested this route from dispatch, and dispatch, if available, will set the signals and the points, the turnouts for our route. So we'll hit start. We're hearing some signals being set, and our status is green. We can go. Now our throttle is showing a red signal, meaning at the next point, which is the steel yard, we of course need to stop. And if we're too late with that, the system will actually stop the train for us. Take over the train and do the required switching. So the coal cars, of course, need to go to the coal, and the steel cars, the coil cars, need to go into the mill.